girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar ISHAWNA, and it's featuring Ed Sheeran. This one is called Bracelets. So we have this 4-chord version song here, which is played like this through the entire song. We'll look at this picking pattern, and we'll also see how to handle this with an easy strumming. So let's take a look at this song. Capo high up here on the 7th fret. Why? Because we have these high notes we want to hit here. So that will be the easiest scenario, capo on the 7th. So with that, we have 4 different chords. Let's take a look at the chords. So first we have the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. The next chord will be A sharp sus. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 1st fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So from bottom up, it's 5 strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. The next chord is a bar chord, and it's placed this bar again on the 1st fret, this time over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is a C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression through the entire song. D minor, A sharp, F, and C. Alright, so let's take a look at this notes chord by chord. So for D minor, you're going to play this part. So it's open D, 2nd G, and 1st E. The A sharp chord will play like this. So that is 1st on A, 3rd on D, and 1st on B. The F is like this. So that is 1st on E in the bass, 3rd A, and 2nd G. And the C is like this. So that is 3rd on A, open G, and open E. And then you're gonna add 1st B and back to open G. And there you have the main part here of the song. It goes like this. Round. Alright, if you wish, you can add a clap, and it fits very well. So you add a clap pretty much after the last note for every chord, except from the last chord. But for the first 3 chords, it's like this. So clap and a pause. Clap and pause. Sorry. Clap and pause there. And then for C, you will add the clap right in between the open E and the 1st B. So the clap comes in between there. So slowly it goes like this. So that's where you hit the clap. So alright. So one round with that clapping here will be alright. But you can also go this song with the strumming pattern. It's very easy strumming. So grab the D minor, that's the 1st chord. Of course, now you will have to hold the full chords as they are. So now it will play like this. Clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap. And so on. That's pretty much what's happened in this song called Bracelets. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.